have I got an exciting video today. I am now sitting in my latest car. This is the car that I actually replaced my Altezza with, and I'm going to show you around it in about a second once I find parking. I've been driving it for about a week now, and let me tell you, I have not stopped smiling while driving this thing at all whatsoever. It's been, oh my god, such a fun car, a really unique driving experience. And I've had K cars before, but this one's definitely, obviously, the newest car I've ever owned in my life, and it definitely has modern car traits. It feels a lot crisper, feels a lot sharper, and it is turbocharged as well. So it's 660cc with a turbo, but it feels so phenomenal and so responsive. Compared to my Altezza, where I used to despise the little electronical fucking throttle body, this feels miles and miles and miles better. I'm just going to pull up now in this little car park, and I'm going to walk around and show you this cool little thing and the plans that I actually have for it. So let me just see if I can find parking. So here it is. What do you think? It's my little Suzuki Alto, finally here, all registered, ready to go. I'll give you a little walk around it. Completely factory standard, but look at these factory Recaro seats. How sweet is that? I don't know, a lot of you be looking at this and thinking, oh my god, is this a worthy replacement of the Altezza? And in my opinion it really is, because I've been after a K car for years now, since I sold my Alto Works, and then when I got the Altezza, it was kind of too big and too clunky, and I just didn't really enjoy it. So I thought I might as well get something small again, and here it is. And it just arrived from Japan in April, and it's now July, and now I get to tinker about with it, and I'm really excited. I've got loads of cool little parts that I'm going to put on it, and yeah, I would love a little bit of input from people who are following me right now, because I know it's completely different to the Altezza, but I know a lot of you who have followed me because of the Altezza, but this should be a new fun thing, and I hope my personality itself is good enough for you to stay. If not, it's fine, but yeah, just have a look and I'll tell you my plans for it. But yeah, it's pearl white, it's got the factory 15-inch Enki wheels, the calipers have been painted already, I think that's a factory thing, but paint wise it's in half decent condition. It's not, you know, mint condition. There's a little bit of, what do you call it, just on the front wing and on this little plastic headlight chrome thing. The headlights are slightly faded if you look a bit over there, and then the bonnet's not exactly the shiniest, but and there's a crack in the fog light there. But yeah, other than that, and a few sig burns on the front seat, I'll show you. Look, so the seats are in really good condition apart from like these siggy burns. Look, there's like 5. I'm pretty sure the owner of this car used to be a builder. That seat's in half decent condition. There's a few little marks, I don't know what that is over there, but yeah, there's not really much to see in here. Other than that, I'm really excited to have this car now, and I do kind of miss the Altezza because it was a beautiful and sick looking car, but where I am in life right now, where I'm earning very little wage and my commute is currently an hour, the car was just not amazing on fuel, and also it was yeah, just too big and too pretty, and people used to hit it and then someone keyed it, and you know, I just couldn't stand that happening to such a nice car, so I ended up selling it. It's gone to Ireland now, as of course it would, but yeah, here we are. Suzuki Alto Works, new project, new car. I want this to be my daily driver, and also something fun, something I can tinker about with a little bit of budget. I've already got a few things, so the next video will be me putting wheels on it. Actually no, that won't be the next video. The next video will be me putting coilovers on, because I have got wheels but one needs a repair, so that's currently at a shop. So yeah, coilovers are going to be the next video. I'll probably film that tomorrow if I get time in the evening. It's very hot at the moment, and I know I've got a jacket on, but it's a light one. But yeah, coilovers on this, wheels on this, and I think it looked pretty sick. But I'd love to do a few track days, and if you can recommend me what track days I can go on, I'd love to do Cadwell. I've never been on a track day. I'd love to do the Nürburgring, but obviously I shouldn't. But I absolutely adore all the angles of this car. It's just such a funky little thing, like the little work stickers over here, and then you've got the little works badge on the front over here. Look, works badge on the front. The number plate says K66 OCC, which is meant to be K660cc, but that would be illegal and £100 fine. What else is there to look at? It's such a small car, there's just not a huge amount to look at. You've got the works badge on the back. It has got keyless entry and all that sort of stuff, but it's got a puny shitty exhaust, if you look, and some puny small wheels that look like they could be space savers. But yeah, like I said, not a lot to look at. There's a little dent on the front, on the back here, sorry, tiny small dent, but yeah, I'm so proud of this car and proud to own it, and yeah, very chuffed. I just feel like I'm gonna have a shitload of fun in this. So yeah, hopefully you get to see my journey, and you know, we get to have a lot of fun in this thing. And if you're in the UK, which I'm sure most of you are not, but if you are in the UK, I'd love for you to come and see this. And yeah, I'd take you out for a little blast and show you how fun K cars really are, because personally I think that K cars are a must own if you're a car enthusiast. It's kind of like owning a Mini Cooper, or as Jeremy Clarkson would say, an Alfa Romeo. Very, very excited to mess around with this car. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. All nice and clean. I might have to give it a wax or something like that, but yeah, just snow foam in it. Then I'm going to wash it, decontaminating and all the sort of detail and malarkey. But I just want to make sure the underside's clean. And it really is so flipping clean. Love this thing. Love it to death.